Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to add an add-on vehicle, the actual way to add an add-on vehicle to your FiveM server. Now usually with these type of videos there are crucial things that these YouTubers are forgetting. I'm unsure why they are doing it, potentially because they don't want other people to find out, but they are missing on some key stuff that will define whether it's going to work or not. So first off, you need two things. Obviously you need to own a server, and the second one is you need OpenIV. I'll leave a link in the description on the download. And also guys, I have my own FiveM server called Bohemia Roleplay. If you guys want to take a look at it, I'll leave the Discord link in the description. So yeah, make sure you guys do check it out. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first thing you want to do is obviously download the vehicle. Now whilst it's downloading, you want to make sure it's as small as possible. The smaller the better, because the smaller it is, the higher chance it will actually load, because obviously the bigger it is, it's going to be harder for the server to load. So this usually happens, there will be multiple folders and you just want to scroll through them until you find dlc.rpf, first file. Okay, so now what you want to do is open over IV, drag the dlc.rpf file here, it's the second one right here, and then just whilst you're doing that you want to go to your wherever you want to go to, and you just want to create a folder called the file that you're going to start. So make sure you make it as small as possible. So I'm just going to call it Phantom, because the smaller it is, the less chance you're going to make a mistake when in the server config. Oops. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go into the Phantom folder, new folder, and then create a folder called stream, no capitals, no nothing. Then create a text document called resource.lua. Yes, and there you go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go into data, and you should see handling.meta, vehicles.meta, carvariations.meta, dlc.text.meta. Wherever this is, wherever it is, you just want to drag it onto the outside, not in stream, not in resource.lua, just on the outside so it can chill. So then you want to go into times 64 vehicles.rpf, and then you want to go into stream and then drag all of that in there. So usually this would be the spawn code for the vehicle, but sometimes it's different. So to check that, you want to go into handling.meta. So yeah, I don't know why it says it's corrupted file. Don't worry about that. It's just because I've chosen a wrong thing to open it with, but once I get in there I can show you guys. So now that's what normal YouTubers show you. That's how you do it. That is mainly how you do it, but there's one important thing that we're missing out. First you want to go into resource.lua, and usually they just leave it blank in the videos. They don't say type anything in, which is a big mistake. So what you want to do is I'll leave this Word document in the description, so you can just copy it and paste it into your resource.lua. So what I'm going to do is, this is very important, as it will say it's with it, and if you don't have this it will not work, because it's basically FiveM servers like to complain and they're very lazy. If there's nothing in this, then what's the point of having it open? It's obviously, you can't just write ABC in it and it'll be done. You have to write important information in it for it to read. But yeah, so what I was saying is FiveM is always complaining. It's never happy, and it will find a way to complain to you that this thing doesn't work, and it will say it can't run resource.metadata file, something like that, because there's nothing in it. And if you start something in the server.config, it means it's a resource, and if you don't have a resource.lua or fx manifest in that, then it's just going to complain, because it's like, okay, where's the part where it's an actual resource? So this is very crucial to you being able to actually spawn in the cars in game. So that's done. You can now close your OpenIV safely, and yeah, that's practically it. now you want to go into your FTP browser. Mine's WinSCP, and then you want to drag the Phantom folder in here and just wait for that to load. Whereas if you are interested in more of these videos, or you want to see a different tutorial how to do something else, make sure to let me know. I am happy to teach you guys, as most people think like making a server is about competition and having better stuff than everybody, but I think it's about community and sharing things with other people. So now once you have done that, you want to go into your server config, and yeah, now once you're in here, you just want to do start, and then this file name is Phantom, so you just want to do Phantom. There you go. And as I said before, make sure you put in the comments, or in my Discord, I'll leave a link in the description to my FiveM server where you can just directly message me from there, where you can just message me, or just put in the comments where you can just say what you want to know how to do, or if you're having problems with anything, I'm here to help you. I'll try and help you as hard as I can. And my aim of this YouTube channel is to help you guys out, and also to create a community where people in the comments can help other people. Yeah, so now you just want to save that, and now I'm just going to restart my server. I'll hop into the server, and yeah, I can show you that this actually works. Yeah guys, I just want to take some time to promote my server. It is a new server, so it's not going to have many people, but I've spent a lot of time trying to develop it by myself. Obviously it's very hard to do so, and yeah, but I actually got a lot of resources in it. But yeah, I just want to help, like, I just want to get my server out there, so if you guys could just check it out, I'll leave a link in the description where you can join the Discord, ask me some questions, and there should be a place where you can just search up Bohemia Roleplay, but it's just a lot easier to use the direct connect, as I have that in the Discord server. So let's carry on, and yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm in the server. Okay guys, so I'm now in game, and yeah, so we're just going to test if this car works. So I do /car to spawn in, and then I do the name, which is Blazrrr. And the way I can find that is just go here, and then you should just be clicking your Phantom folder, go to handling.meta, edit, and then it should just be right there in handling name. There you go. Click enter, and there you go. The Blazrrr Phantom is in game. Guys, if you do have any more questions about how to add other vehicles or anything else really, or add replacements, ESX, other scripts, how to add them, make sure you ask me in the comments or Discord. And yeah guys, with that being said, that's going to conclude the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and yeah, see you later.